Amelia put 10 grams of food in her hamster's food dish. When she checked back later, the amount of food in the dish was 7 and 29/100 grams. How much food did Amelia's hamster eat? So first of all, I'm looking at this question. I start out with 10 grams of food, and then she ate some food. And so then that means that I am separating the 10 grams from what is left over to find out how much food the hamster ate. And I will start with a mini place value chart so that I can show my equation and here without getting my place values in improper order. So I'm going to start with 10 grams. 10 grams would be on my place value chart as this, because whether it's 10 without a decimal or with a decimal does not change its value. And this is a subtraction symbol, by the way, not a place value location. And then I have 7 and 29/100. So the 7 is in the ones place and the 29/100 in the tenths and hundredths place. All right, 0 minus 9, can't do it. I can't regroup from here or here. I have to go all the way here. Now I've got 10 here, but I still can't subtract. My 10 becomes a 9, and this becomes a 10. I still don't have it over here, so then that becomes a 9, and now I can subtract. 10 minus 9 is, 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 2 is 7. Putting my decimal, notice my place values are lined up. 9 minus 7 is 2. So the answer is 2 and 71/100.